Okay, so welcome ulit sa Axel Engineering. Ang topic natin ngayon ay how to plot cut and fill diagram in Excel. So, where do we use this cut and fill diagram? This is used on earthworks. Okay, solved by solving the volume, the cut, and the fill. But for now, we will just concentrate on how to plot this using Excel. Okay, so we will start here. We have here the data of cut, fill. The negative signifies the fill portion right here. And the cut, the positive, signifies the cut portion because it is on the upper portion of the horizontal line. Okay? So let us now proceed. So these are the stations. These are the cut and fill. So most of the times, these data are obtained by the surveyors or the line engravers, the one who is expert in getting all the survey data. Right? So click this way, then go to insert, go to line, and select line with markers. Okay, there we have it. Do some modifications here. Okay, do some modifications. Delete this. Okay, there we have it. Okay, then delete lines and extend this. The bit is not aware. Okay, here we will select this, then right click, add, go to add data labels. There we have just arrange this negative underneath the line. Okay, so there we have now the plotted cut and fill diagram. So if you want to put shading on the cut like this one, okay, so this is what we're going to do. We will copy this. See, this here, this one. Okay, control C. Okay, we will select this. We will copy this, control C, and we will paste it here. The chart, okay, pressing control V, control V. There. Now we will click this, click, then we will go to design, and we will change the chart type. We will go to area, okay, and select this first one here. Okay, press OK. Okay. Now there we have it, cut and fill diagram. So if you want to do some other modification, go to the fill, go to pattern fill. Say you want this, click this, there. So simple as that. The upper portion are the cut, the lower portion are the fill. So I hope you learn new things, guys, in making this. And on my next video, I will teach you how and where to use this cut and fill diagram for earthworks. So, yun lang mga construct. Maraming salamat. Please subscribe, share, and like.